Welcome to the Data Future channel. This is Shekhar, and in this tutorial, we are going to do the exploratory data analysis on the textual data. So, earlier we have done the exploratory data analysis on the tabular data, but here basically we will carry out the text analytics or the text mining on textual data. So, basically, I am considering here the data set which is of makeup data set, so the beauty product data set we can say. And here I'm using a Python and Python libraries for the data analysis. So what exactly data is? So yes, the data consists of different attributes, but here I'm considering only the product type and the description of that particular product for the our analysis purpose. So we are basically performing the exploratory data analysis on text data. Okay. So first thing, what we do, we import the required libraries. Here, the libraries we required for the data manipulation, the numerical computation, the visualization. Okay. So and these libraries are used for the data visualization and data manipulation. And these libraries, like we have to import for the text pre-processing, like we are importing the regex, importing nltk, natural language toolkit. We are importing the stop words from the nltk. We are importing the porter streamer, then tokenizing tokenizer. Okay. So these are the libraries which are required for the text data processing. Okay. Second thing is we have to read the data. So we are reading the CSV file by using a pd.read underscore CSV, and we can see how our data is look like. So we are displaying top 5 rows, that is the df.head, and here you can see this is the data about the beauty product. There are different types of the products. So product type you can see here: lip liner, lipstick, foundation, and there is a description. So I'm considering this product type column and the description for the analysis. Yes. Now for the textual analysis, we are considering the product type and the description. So I'm selecting these two columns and creating another data frame. Now my data frame is created, new data frame is created. Now this is product type and description. I want to rename this, make it standard names. So I will say only product, and second column is the description. So what I'll do, df.columns, and I'll equate, and in the same sequence I'm giving the new names. Now you can see that here you can see the, yes, now the names, the column names changed. Okay. Now I'll see the basic information about the data, what exactly it is. So both are the textual data because it's object. There are 31 entries are there, and there are non-null values are also there. That's 906 and 931. Means there are some of the records in the descriptions are having a missing values. We'll check that. How many number of rows and columns? We know the 3, 931 and 2 by using a dot shape function. I'll check the duplicates records also, that df1 into df1 dot duplicated I'll do, and I can see that there are so many duplicate values are there present in the data. So I need to remove that. So I'll check the what is the shape of this data frame. So df in square bracket df1 dot duplicated dot shape is 58 records are duplicated. Now I'll drop the duplicates, the df1 dot duplicates, and I'll keep is equal to keep equal to first, that is that by default, because I'm keeping the first value in that duplicate rows. Okay. So now you can say after removing the duplicates we are having a 873. Earlier there was 931, but now is 873. Okay. Now I'll check the missing values in the data. There are 7 missing values in the description columns. So dot is null dot sum we are using. So we have to drop these missing values. Okay, so I'm creating a new data frame again. So df2 dot drop na and how equal to na. So what will happen? So that duplicates are removed. Sorry, missing values are removed. Now it's a 866. Now I'll check the data. My data is yes, look like this. I'll check how many unique records are there in the unique categories in the product. So for that I'll using unique. So I'll get the list of these categories. So I'll check the how many number of this. So you can use the length here, length of this simply, or you can type a dot and unique for this product column. So you'll get the 10 categories are the unique categories. Okay. So I'll check what is the value count of this. So when you say it's a value count, so what I'll do this product df3 product dot value count, and I want to create it as a data frame. So I'm using a dot reset underscore index. So I'll get a nice list of this product and its count in descending order. So foundation having the more number of records, then lipstick, then eyeliner, like this. Okay, these are the products and its count. So I want to visualize this data by using a nice bar plot. So you can see here that I am using a SNS, that is Seaborn library. I'm typing a bar plot and giving the data. Data is my prod df x value. I'm considering x value as a count because I want to take a horizontal, and y value as a product. So now you can see, yes, there is a nice bar plot you can see. And if you want the values also you can put it here. So I'll show you in the later section how to put the values of this each and every bar. Okay. Next, I want to check the simple textual description for the lipstick, and here I'm considering this lipstick. So I'll consider this or df3 and description. I'm considering. Let's check what is that. Develop for selfie age. So where it is. So I'm considering this description for my understanding how data is looks like. So here is the description is look like this. Okay, so first we will implement this technique for this individual the text, that is I'm storing into a lipstick text, and we'll do it on the whole data frame. So first I'm changing the d types. So d types is already object, but if there is a some values are there, that integer or this thing, the float, then that can be changed. So you can change the data type of that particular column, but the data type already it is saying it's object, so there is a no change in the data type. So for that you have can use dot as type string. No need to do this step. Okay, so now I want to check the how many number of words in the description for each description. Okay, so for that I have written the this function get word count, and I'm providing the text and return length of the text dot split. So what will happen here? So uh, it will convert dot text dot split, means it will split the this text into a list of words with whenever there is a space. So based on space, it will be splitted and created a list of elements. Okay. So when I run this, and I can see this is the textual data we have using for the testing purpose, and for this particular function, I am giving this lipstick underscore text. So you can see there are 74 this thing 75 words are there in this particular text. Okay, Now here the text dot split, what it is doing, so it is splitting this each word based on this space. Okay, you can specify here on what basis you want to split, but here by default we are splitting this textual data in on the basis of this space. Okay. Yes, now we have to apply this function. Which function? That is the get word count on the whole data frame. So I'm creating so our data frame is look like this. So I'm instead of this, okay, why this is happening? Okay, so instead of this, I will see the two records here, and I'm applying the this get word count function to this description column. So I'm creating a new column which is word count, and applying the function to this description column dot apply, and using a lambda, that is anonymous function x, and I'm giving the get word count. So each and every row it will apply this function and it will return the value in this particular column. Now you can see that. So each line you will get a new word count, and here is its number. Okay, so number, description, and this is product. So I want to see the what is the total number of words in the whole description set. Means if you combine the whole data frame, then what is the basically uh, the total. So for that, what I'm doing, word count total word count we can say is df, and this dot sum you can do, right? So total word count. So I'll say total word count, and you can see here, yes, total words in the whole data frame description is 82459, 82,459. Okay, so average number of words in the description that we have to see. So for that, what we are doing, so dot mean you can put, and you can see the average number of words in the each description is 95. Okay, so we can check the statistics also for this word count. So what is the minimum value, what is maximum value here? Okay, so for that, what you have to do, so you have to do the df3 dot describe. So df3 dot describe means it will give the statistics of that particular column. So you can see there are 866 count, means total records. Out of that, mean value of this is 95, standard deviation is 121, minimum is 2. So minimum words are 2 in the description, and 25th percentile, 50 percentile, 75th percentile, and some of the descriptions are having 822 words. Now I want to see that two descriptions actually. So I will say what is the minimum one. Um, yes, I want to see that maximum description actually here.